So you guys, I noticed that a lot of people are not really interested in typing job. Instead, they're interested in proofreading or editing already typed job. So if you're that kind of person, please stick around because I'm going to show you how to get started as the total beginner. And you guys know me, I'll always show you the right path to get started, including a way to get certificates to back up your skills and your claim about what you can do as a proofreader. So getting started, you're going to go to this website, proofreadanywhere.com. On this website, you will find resources that can get you started, including free courses that you can take. There are some that are for some days and some that will take you some time to finish. And at the end of this course, you'll be certified. And the best part is it's all completely for free. You have blogs, you have other resources that you can use to equip yourself as regards proofreading and everything that you're expected to know, the skills you're expected to have if you're a complete beginner. So once you're done with this website, this particular website has a sister website where people that have taken the courses and done the workshop on this first website can go and register as freelancers, and people, they have clients coming from different places and different companies coming to hire them to do their work. And for you to register on this platform, you must have taken the workshop and the courses from this other sister website. So the name of this sister website is Hire Proofreader. I'm going to leave the link to every website I'm going to mention in this video in the comment section, where you can easily find them and make your application. So the good thing is, even if you don't want to register with them on their sister website, you can as well use your skill and your certification to go elsewhere to start looking for proofreading job. But you don't need to do that because I'm going to share with you the places you can actually find this proofreading job right now. So once you are equipped and you're ready and you have your laptop and internet source, and of course you know your reading abilities to be able to spot out errors and mistakes, then you're good to go. So another proofreading website that you can check out that will also train you, they have free courses that they offer to people that are willing to do proofreading for them on this platform. It's called prs.com. Now they have jobs for proofreaders and people that are into editing to come on board and work for them as proofreaders on this platform. Now they're going to pay you $10 per 1,000 word that you proofread for them on this platform. And the good thing is you can choose to work the number of hours you want to work. You will work from the comfort of your home and you get to work whenever you chose to work. That is the best part about working for this platform. And another thing you need to know is that they will give you opportunity to stay connected with the newest research methods. So you stand to gain a lot of things working for them here as a proofreader. And you know you must be proficient with the use of Microsoft Suite, and you should be proficient also in English language because most of their clients are native speakers of English language. So you have to have that in mind. So to get started with this platform, you're going to send your application to the email that is provided on the website. You're going to have your name, your level of education, what your first language is, what your country of residence is, an hour per week available, areas of expertise, and possible start date. So you're going to have all these things together and you're going to add them to the email you're going to send to them as provided on the platform. So that is how you're going to get started working with them on this platform. So the next platform we're going to talk about is one that will pay you $15 to $46 per hour to do proofreading. Now you have to bear in mind that this one will not really train you, but instead you're going to be offered a test to do for them on the platform to know how good you are and to know if you're good to be on board with them. Now on this platform, you also stand the chance to work from home, and you choose to work whenever you want to work and work on the type of job you want to work. But it is important for you to prepare yourself because you're going to be tested. And the name of the platform is proofreadingservices.com. It's quite a popular one, so you might want to check it out. Another platform you want to check out is one that houses freelancers. Like, it's more like a marketplace where freelancers come and they get to do some jobs. Usually the type of job you will be finding on this platform is ebooks and journals and stuff like that. Those are the type of jobs that are available for people to proofread on this platform. Now I didn't really get to see how much you're going to be paid as stated on the platform, but from my research, you'll stand the chance to earn from $15 to $30 per hour working on this platform. But it's important for me to mention here that this platform will take 10% of any amount you make from the platform because they're giving you the avenue to meet clients. So you're going to take 90%, whereas the platform takes 10%. So you have that in mind. And the name of this platform is Red Sea. I'm going to leave the link to all these websites in my comment section, so you don't need to worry about anything. You can easily click and go and look for them, make further research and see if it will work for you. So moving on, the next company is one that is quite professional. This company is well vetted such that they have reputation when it comes to their hiring process and the type of clients they work with. So you're sure that once you're accepted, you'll be getting jobs. Now you have to bear in mind that they're going to give you 35 question tests to run on this platform, and you're allowed to use external resources to do this test. Oh my God. I can imagine, because it's not going to be that easy for them to allow you to use external resources. But anyways, so this platform is quite easy to sign up with them. All you need to do is to have your resume, and you fill out the application form that is stated on their website, as you can see on your screen right now. So you can just sign up to them and you become an editor. Now, they did not really specify how much you stand to earn on this platform, but from my research, you can earn anywhere from $20 to $45 per hour. Now, it depends on the level of skill you have when it comes to editing documents. So you might want to check it out, and hopefully it works for you. The name of the website is Polished Paper, so you might want to check it out. Now, before we continue, please take a time out. If you found value in this video so far, like this video and subscribe to our channel to join our growing community. We really appreciate you all for your support. So the next website we're going to talk about, they hire people to do two jobs. One is dissertation editing and content editing. Now, dissertation, when it comes to people that are writing, doing projects on the PhD level, and content when it comes to anything that has been written. So depending on the one you are interested in, you can sign up with them on this platform. So they say they receive hundreds of applications every week from talented people. So if they're unable to follow up, just know that there are lots of applications, but they will try to keep in touch with you. So if you're someone who is good with spotting errors and grammatical issues with write-ups, then you might want to check out this website, and hopefully it works for you. So they did not really specify how much you're going to earn, but from my research, you're going to earn anywhere from $20 to $30 per hour working for them on this platform. And if you check out anyone you're interested in, if you click on anyone you're interested in, you're going to see the application form to start, the application process to start working for them on the platform. So if you're interested, you pick out the one you want to do, whether it's content editing or dissertation editing. I'm sure the prices are going to differ. Of course, the dissertation should be higher than the content. Then you can sign up by filling out the application form on their website, and hopefully it works for you. So there are some that are also offering these services, but right now they are not accepting freelance application, but they do have in-house opening for people that may want to come in-house and work for them. So example of such is this website. As you can see, they have opportunities for people that are looking to come on board. For their in-house position, they need editor-in-chief, in-house editor or proofreader, in-house editor STEM and stuff like that. They need full stack web developer and cloud engineer. Then for the freelance, if you click here where it says freelance program, you're going to see everything about their freelance program and the things you start to enjoy, like your productivity, professional development, relationship with people, and every other thing you start to gain here. Unfortunately, they say they are not currently accepting applications, but in case you want to be checking on them, you can see that they need you to have a university degree regardless of the field, and you must be able to use some software applications, and you have to have your style guides to be able to work for them here. And of course, you have to have native level English ability, so that is what they need. So if you're interested to work for them in-house, so you might want to check it out. The name of the website is Scribendi. I'm going to leave the link to every website in the comment section. So if you found value, please like this video, subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate you all for your comments, for your likes, for your subscriptions. We are grateful to you all. Don't fail to check out the videos about other typing jobs on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.